everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to log in into the Weverse account. To begin the process, open the application first. Once you're at the home page, you need to tap on join/login, tap that. Now to log in, you need to provide the email address of yours. Type in the email address and then tap on continue with this email. If you have linked your Weverse account with Twitter, Google or Apple, you can tap on the link below, which will get you logged in with just one tap. But here we're gonna go with the email process, so tap on continue with this email, tap that. After that, you will need to provide the password. Type in the password, then tap on login. And this will get you logged in into the Weverse account of yours very easily. So this is how you can log in into the Weverse account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.